Hello, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depending on the time zones from wherever you are. Jonathan Mugerwa, Buena Charity Services, Uganda. Yeah, voluntarily working with my team, the Reintegration Academy, to overcome the challenges of incarceration, re-entry, and the obstacles of faced by the returning citizens. In this bid today, sensitizing people about the dangers of violence, crime, conflicts, by peacemaking, by conflict resolution, through healing and forgiveness, you name it. Yeah, today I've got my visitor.
Thank you, Mr. Jonathan. I'm called Kato Wycliffe Clive, and I'm going to take you through the murder case that happened. Today is 2nd of October, 2023. This is the murder case. More than 5 held over murder. The police in Wampela district are holding Muchwenguzi Joash, 18 years old, and 5 others over murder by assault of Tuhaili Moses, 48 years old man. Now, murder can be in different forms. It can be by stabbing someone. It can be through fights.
Through shooting.
It can be through shooting. Thank you.
Yeah.
So we encourage.
Again, that case of murder, sorry for interrupting, but that's the case of murder. Starts with, then it goes to manslaughter and comes to cold blood murder. So when the judge is sentencing somebody, he will start up. Was it a murder case? Murder case has got some ingredients such as malice aforethought. Did you plan? Actually, how did it happen? Was it by mistake of somebody pushing somebody, or was it multiple injuries, beating, stab, and thereafter acts rare? What happened? Did you report to the hospital? Did you report to the police? So then you are surviving the death row. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Thank you very much. So we encourage the society and the young generation don't involve in cases of violence. There are many ways of negotiating to provide peace. Lungwizi, this region police spokesperson, Samson Kasasira, identified the deceased as Tuhairi Moses, a resident of Chikonkoma, Soweto, Chikonkoma Ward, Mwinzi Kabura Town Council, who is alleged to have been murdered by a team of village mates led by Joash as the prime suspect. It is alleged that on Monday, 26th, at about 11 p.m. in Chikonkoma Trading Center, the deceased was involved in a fight with Muchwenguzi Joash and were separated by Benda Christopher, something that annoyed Joash and he turned to him. Now, Benda Christopher coming in to reduce the fight, maybe to bring things at equal terms where everyone can agree and stop the fight. We thank such people in the society that come up to reduce conflicts, maybe let people come at negotiations, because the impact of murder is also big.
The repercussions are there.
True.
In fact, last time my brother Kwemba John was telling us how he went to attend the burial of somebody convicted 40 years, but he could not even serve 4. So you continue.
Yes, thank you very much. The deceased was forced to run away, but the suspect, together with friends, decided to follow him up to his home. It looks like these people were either drunk or they involved in some drugs, because the deceased tried to run away. Maybe he gave up, he surrendered to them, because they were 5, he was 1, maybe.
Yes.
But since they were youth, maybe they were engaged in drugs, maybe they drank some alcohol.
Yeah, under the influence of alcohol, drugs, somebody may even act beyond even himself. Now you have been fighting somebody, they have separated you. Huge thanks to Benda Christopher, who tried to do this. Many people are there in the community, but when they see a moment of disorder, conflict, or any point of disagreement, they come up and harmonize or settle the situation amicably. So we thank people of the same type, Benda Christopher. Continue.
Okay, thank you very much. And this goes to the youth or the young generation. when you see fights, a friend fighting, when you see people or a peer group encouraging violence, please come up. You can become a solution to friends. When we continue, failed to trace him. They failed to trace him, and on their way back to the trading center, they met him, beat him to death, dumped the body in a banana plantation. Can you imagine?
So they went home, they didn't find him.
They wanted to
So
trace
they
him.
came back hunting for him and found him on the way. So now that the judge, in fact, will look into that in the time. That is according to me, a person who was passed via courts of law, the district court, the high court, the court of appeal, and the judges were telling me, please, when you go to the society, we've given you the license, and moreover, in proceedings, you go and teach people, you go and tell people to always desist from violence, hatred, and any other form of dubious behavior that may result into incarceration or a prison sentence or being condemned to death. Now we are seeing that these people are going to his home.
Yes.
The guy was not there, maybe hiding somewhere. Then on coming back, they delayed somewhere maybe. So the guy came up thinking that they have already passed. Kumbe they are around. And again they thumped him up to the point of throwing the body to the banana plantations. So you can imagine, after thumping somebody to the point of death, you again dump the dead body in unknown places. So you are not giving a chance to the relatives to at least make burial arrangements for their beloved. You are not allowing the hospital to make some treatment on the body to preserve it. So those are the ingredients that we say malice, menthorea. That is menthorea. What did you do after the murder? This guy was saying that for them they took the dead body and threw it in a banana plantation. Wow, it was so hectic.
This is also shocking. Trial Moses' body was found on the 26th of September 2023 at 7:15 a.m., laying in a pool of blood with multiple injuries. And information reached Mwinzi police station that responded to the scene of crime. Kasasira told the press that postmortem was carried out at the scene of crime and inquiries are going on. We thank the police, by the way, the intervention they made.
Yeah, they came up and you never know, they may delay and a series of murders happen thereafter. Things, the relatives of this family plus that, they may continue in and you find the thing escalating like bushfire. So we thank them, we thank the SOCO, the scene of crime officer who comes there to really ascertain what really means. So that is what it means. So brothers, you may be having a friend who is good at making friends, but again, question yourself: who are those friends? Are they adding some value onto you? Are they ruining you? So it's up to you. We have seen prison. We've seen the dangers. We have seen the criminal mentality, criminal behavior, and we are here in this current generation when as the Lord still allows to be telling you that crime is for real. Please, as I'm leaving the studio today, I'm telling you that what happened is that Wampala can at the same time happen near you.
Anyone can feel a victim.
Wherever you are, as he has said, my brother Wycliffe, that everybody is a potential victim.
Everybody is a
And
potential victim.
everyone is a candidate to prisons and a prisoner, and so everybody is a potential prisoner. So we thank you very much. He can say his last word.
My encouragement out there what I could say, especially to the young generation, the youth that take most of their time taking drugs, take most of their time taking alcohol, different drinks that make them think the other way.
That
Please.
impair the mind, impaired, they move with impaired mind. They say, "Mwana, kwata kako, mkwali kwatu kwatu kwatu." You see those people, like they gang it towards this is the who was called to hero Moses. So
What I'm asking for, be that one person in that peer influence on the group to give the positive side to your friends, to turn them to the positive side. You can make a change to society. Thank you very much.
thank you very much. Pick the lessons. We have also used the correctional lessons and experiences to bring this to you. Yet to see you in another episode. Like, share, subscribe, such that your children don't miss this next time. Thank you.
Thank you very much.